Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center Science tutorial today. This is Meghna and today we are going to talk about expanding universe. So let's dive in. So what do you know about the universe? The universe is everything. The universe is everywhere. The universe is infinite. All that has ever existed makes up our universe. It is everything we have ever known. We, as humans, are part of this wonderful creation. Humans like you and I live on a rocky planet that is very large to us, but it is actually a tiny speck in the infinite universe, hidden away in a cluster of billions of stars that makes up our galaxy. Our very own galaxy has billions of stars and planets in it. There are also billions of galaxies in our universe. So, this makes us for a very large space altogether. While all of these galaxies, stars, and planets have existed for a very long time, they have not always existed. The universe is everything that exists, including objects and energy throughout time and space. Earth, the Sun, and the rest of the solar system are only a very small part of the universe. The size of the universe is difficult to imagine. It is so large that light from very distant objects in the universe must travel billions of years before reaching our Earth. The universe is also called the cosmos, and cosmology is a branch of science that studies the universe as a whole. Astronomy is another name for the study of the universe. Scientists use telescopes and other tools to gather information about the universe. They also study information collected during space exploration. So how big is the universe? No one knows for sure just how big the universe is. It could be infinitely large. Scientists, however, measure the size of the universe by what they can see. They call this the observable universe. The observable universe is around 93 billion light years across. And can you imagine how old is the universe? The universe began between 13 and 14 billion years ago with the start of a massive explosion called the Big Bang. And what is the universe made of? Even though the Earth seems really big to us, it's actually a very tiny part of the universe. The Sun has a mass of 330,000 times the Earth. The Sun is just one star in the Milky Way galaxy that contains over 300 billion stars, and scientists estimate that there are over 170 billion galaxies in this universe. However, most of the universe is what we think of as empty space. All the atoms together only make up around 4% of the universe, and most of the universe consists of dark matter and dark energy. And what do we know about the Milky Way and other galaxies? The Sun is in a group of stars known as the Milky Way galaxy. The galaxy is a large system of stars, gas, and dust. Until the early 1900s, scientists did not know for certain that there are galaxies outside the Milky Way galaxy. By using powerful telescopes, scientists now estimate that the universe has billions of galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy alone contains more than 100 billion stars. Some galaxies are larger and some are much smaller, but even small galaxies contain hundreds of millions of stars. Galaxies have a variety of shapes. For example, some galaxies have the shape of a pinwheel. And do you know that our universe is continuously expanding? One of the interesting things about the universe is that it is currently expanding. It's growing larger and larger all the time. Not only is it growing larger, but the edge of the universe is expanding at a faster and faster rate. Scientists think that the edge of the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Most scientists believe that the universe began suddenly in an event called the Big Bang. They estimate that this happened between 10 and 15 billion years ago. The universe at the time was tightly packed and hot. Since then, the universe has been expanding and cooling. Some scientists believe that the universe may stop expanding and begin to contract, but most scientists believe that the universe will keep expanding forever. So let me share some interesting facts with you about the universe. Distant galaxies are constantly moving further and further away from us as the universe expands. Every galaxy in the universe is moving away from every other galaxy. There is no center to the universe. Albert Einstein said that the shape of the universe was open, closed, or flat. Many scientists today think that the universe is flat. The universe appears to be cooling and may eventually freeze. Large empty spaces in the universe are called voids. And the most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. And the second most abundant element is helium. So if you have any questions or if you need any help about the subject or for this tutorial, you can text us or you can email us and we will get back to you. Thank you.